Here you go, that's $2.99.
Do they cost more?
Yes, they're up 30 cents.
What's going to happen next?
Thanks all the same.
Evangelos Antonopoulos runs a kiosk. Business wasn't great anyway, and now tobacco tax has gone up.
People don't have money. They're watching what they spend. Now they're cutting back on cigarettes. A lot of people are only buying the essentials, and some don't even have the money for that. In the end, it's the retailers who suffer.
The kiosks are an important indicator of public opinion in Greece. For once, Athens is running smoothly today, following a strike by taxi drivers and industrial action by bus drivers. These workers are employed by a travel agency that caters for Greek holidaymakers. They've seen better times. Compared to last year, Greeks have cut down holiday trips by 50%. No one has lost their job here, and there haven't been any wage cuts. But there is widespread anxios among the colleagues, a Greek word describing a mixture of anxiety and stress.
We don't know how long this crisis is going to last. Will it be another 2 or 3 years? Will our company last that long? Lots of people here in Greece are asking questions like that every day. It's an unpleasant feeling.
The unemployment rate in the suburbs of the Greek capital has doubled in the past 2 years. Kostas Tapas has been a car mechanic for 30 years. Like 1 in 3 people in Greece, he's self-employed. So far, things have worked out for him, even in times of crisis. But what about now? This is the first time he's actually started losing money.
It isn't that I don't have any customers. My problem is that my customers don't pay. They owe me 100,000 euros. Occasionally someone pays an installment, but that's it. It was never this bad.
A lot of people in Athens are having the same difficulties at the moment. The teachers' union is up in arms.
They want to wear us down.
These idiots will see what this leads to. Look, the government says that public sector pay has only been frozen. But the fact is, our take-home pay has been cut by 5 to 10% because the state has cut our supplements. A teacher earns a maximum of 1,400 euros. We're going to fight the cuts. We've already held a 37-day strike.
Back to Evangelos Antonopoulos and his kiosk. He knows how his customers are suffering due to the crisis. But is there any sign that things will improve?
Greeks are still pretty optimistic. Most of my customers, and I myself, believe that we'll put this crisis behind us, like we did with all the others. It's in our blood.
Evangelos is determined not to be caught up in the despondency surrounding him.